You are going to learn how to create a bootable recovery partition to clean install Windows. Though this tutorial is being recorded for the users of Windows 8 and Windows 10, the process is pretty the same for Windows 7 users, except one thing. The bootable partition is a perfect solution if your laptop or desktop computer doesn't have DVD-ROM. If you have prepared a bootable partition, it will save you a lot of precious time in an emergency, and without Windows DVD, and creating a bootable USB, you can recover, repair, or reinstall Windows with ease. A bootable partition works the same like a Windows DVD, or bootable USB. You can format, delete, create the partition, and clean install Windows. You can make any partition bootable for installation, except the partition where Windows is installed, you are using. Already created bootable USB, or Windows installation DVD can be used to make a partition bootable. We will be using a free-to-use third-party software, called EasyBCD. Download and install EasyBCD. You may find the download link in the video description box. You can use any partition, except the partition where Windows is installed. To avoid the mess, create a separate partition for this purpose. You can merge this partition with any other partition without data loss, when you don't need it. We need 6 GB of disk space. You can shrink a partition for this purpose without any data loss. To shrink and create a new partition, go to the Start menu and type in diskmgmt.msc. Click diskmgmount.msc to open up this Windows utility. We need a partition with a minimum of 6 GB free disk space. Right-click on a partition that has more than 6 GB of free disk space you want to shrink, and click Shrink Volume. Set the amount of required disk space amount. If you don't know how many megabytes are there in 1 GB, take the help of an online gigabyte to megabyte converter. Click Shrink. After shrink is complete, right-click on the unallocated partition, and click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Next. Click Next. Next. Click Finish. The partition is now ready for the next step. Open up Windows 10, or Windows 8 DVD, or the ISO image file. Select all, and copy DVD or ISO image file content, and paste to the partition we've prepared. The copying process may take a while, depending on hard disk speed. After copying is complete, open up EasyBCD. Go to Add New Entry menu. Click on WinPE tab. You may give it a name. Here you need to set a file, named boot.vim. When you restart, this file kickstarts installation setup. Click here to locate boot.vim file. Go to the partition where we've copied Windows 10 installation files. Open up the source folder. Highlight boot.vim file, and then click Open. Click plus icon to add WinPE image to the boot menu. The process is complete, and you can now install Windows 10 or Windows 8 from this partition without DVD or bootable USB. To switch between Windows and bootable partition, restart your PC. You will be given 30 seconds to choose to boot installed Windows or bootable partition. Highlight and hit Enter. Team Simple Tutorials is quite positive. You like this video and find it informative and useful. We have tried to make every point easy to understand. You may contact us via the comments section. If you run into any problem, Team Simple Tutorials will try its best to help you. The comments section can also be used for suggestions, feedback, and questions.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.